RedSpy365 is a next-generation penetration testing platform that combines AI-based automation with expert interpretation to measure and improve your security posture. Another valuable feature of the RedSpy platform is that it gives your cybersecurity professionals the ability to evaluate your detection system using the deconfliction and events tabs. Often, even though your security professionals think they have visibility into the actions that potential hackers might be taking on your network, in actuality they do not. When detection systems are not working properly, we can say that there is a conflict between what you think you see and what you can actually see. RedSpy works by adopting and emulating the same tactics that real attackers use in a live setting. Most other tools on the market use simulated sandbox environments, but RedSpy uses a live environment and combines scanning and post-exploitation tools in an AI-based platform to simulate real attacks. The deconfliction and events tabs use different formats to show every action taken by the RedSpy portal, including post-exploitation commands, and provides a paper trail for clients to review analyst actions. These actions can be compared to internal logs to observe the status of client detection systems. In contrast to the IRC channel, which provides insight into the conversation between tools on your RedSpy platform, but does not report every action taken by those tools, the deconfliction tab provides a detailed view of all of the activity associated with each tool, separated by tabs for ease of viewing. Similarly, the Events tab also shows every action taken, both by the RedSpy platform and by the analyst working with the platform, down to the keystroke. This can be extraordinarily useful in determining the effectiveness of your current defensive systems, as well as providing a useful audit tool for analyst activity. You can compare the information found on RedSpy's Events tab to your defensive logs, for example your SIM, to note whether a simulated attack was detected and reported correctly. In more complex environments with red and blue teams, RedSpy's Events tab can automatically export these actions to your SIM, so your blue team can see what your red team is doing on the SIM itself. Conversely, RedSpy can accept alerts from other devices, like a SIM, and automatically compare what the SIM is seeing to what RedSpy is doing. This process can be automated using an automatic deconfliction alert, further providing value to your organization and security professionals with additional insights. This visibility allows you to make corrections and retest in advance of any actual threat, so you are maximally prepared. Retesting after resolving the visibility gaps can put your mind at ease, knowing that your defenses are intact and your visibility has increased. The entire RedSpy365 team thanks you. We look forward to delivering new and relevant insight into each customer's security investments now and in the future.